Nagabenta ki khubor ba man kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News.
No, not required. Not required. We never charge any entry fee for the public who are coming for our event. Only for the competitors, they have to pay the entry fee.
Which is in Arunachal Pradesh.
It is happening in zero
Zero.
Arunachal Pradesh.
So, sir, for people to
On Instagram and Facebook. Yes. One vehicle will be going, so one driver and one co-driver, and the mechanics team and the members and our friends also will be going along with the vehicle.
Kuble yefi baro kini gilong ki kubor bam takasngi. Ka Adventures New Trip of Roaders Club kan mi khmat ya ka jila Meghalaya sya ka jinya kop nya kali off-road ka zero mode face ha Arunachal Pradesh ha ka arf new tarik bat arf pratarik unailar. Ha bakran sya kilat pathai kubor ha Shillong Press Club u Ferdinand Kharjarin ula pentip ba ka kenhun ka lapen khre bah ban yeshim benta ha kan ni kalumpung ka bahe. Ka klub kan pha ya uwei na kinongnya kali bala tebet haringkat ka kali off-road ka balapan khre kerpang bat ka kenhun kistat kor ban kersyan ya u kharjarin ula kerpat ye ki pajba bat kinong i jinyele kainya kali ha Meghalaya bakin ai mensim bat budin ya kajinya khun jongka kenhun ula ong ba kajinya simbenta ha kan ni kalumpung kan ai ya ka klub kalat ban yo jing hikai ba jintip ki ba thamai nalor ka jingpan pau paj ba ya kasap jongki nongnya kali off-road ka jela ha kaju ka por u kharjarin u la pentip ba ka klub kadang pen khre ru ban penlong ya ka lempung off-road ka ba he nadu ka khatsan hadu ka khatnyau tarik urisau kan ni ka lempung menta usnam kan kham he bat kham itnat ban ya kisnam ki balali no
Organized off-road event in the state of Meghalaya. We have come today to highlight our program, which is the upcoming program. And before that, I would like to say that we have one program from the club. We will be competing in the off-road challenge, which is going to happen from 27, 28 and 29 of this month, August 2026, which is happening in Zero in Arunachal Pradesh. So our club will participate in this event in the modified category. We have a good driver from the club and the machine or the vehicle to compete in that event. The driver and the machine will be manned by one of our members who is sitting with us here, Mr. Jade and his co-driver. And we would like that the people of Meghalaya support us, though they will not be able to reach out to the event up to Zero in Arunachal Pradesh, but to keep track what we will be performing in that event, because this event is important for the club, so that we can get the winning trophy. It has been a long time that as a club we didn't have time to compete in the events like this, but this is the time as the club and the members we will be competing, and we hope that we will do well in this and will try our best to win this event. This is a very big event which is organizing by the club in the Arunachal Pradesh, and many vehicles we hope competitors will be coming all over India, and we are confident that we'll be able to come out flying colors. Another program as a club, as usual, we have the annual event which will be coming up in the month of October, from the day 15, 16, 17 of October 2026. This is the Ahor 4x4 Off-Road Challenge. This year, the event will be happening in Mau Sadang. Mau Sadang, it is near Tersat. And through this event, as we have experienced throughout the years, this will be the 8th event of the club. And through our event, many vehicles, many tourists are also witnessing our program. Not to forget, the club is very thankful to the government of Meghalaya because of its support throughout these years. The tourism department, the sports department, the Meghalayan Age, the Chief Minister, Sri Konrad Sangma, who has been with us and helping us in every event. And not to forget the crowd, the fan of Ahor. So this time, also in October, I would like to call all of you to come to Mau Sadang for our event, which will be a bigger event compared to the previous years. We'll have 3 categories as usual, the pro-modified categories, we have the semi-modified and the stock categories. The place is very beautiful. There will be many activities going on during that time. So we request through you, the media, that the people of Meghalaya and outside Meghalaya also to come and witness our event in October. So the last thing, I wish we will be doing for this Zero Mud Festival 2026 in Arunachal, and we'll come out with flying colors. Only these few words.